everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, I'm on another abandoned car feature. This time we've got a 1958, it's a DKW. And let's have a look at this rig right here. Okay, so here is the docket on this. This is a front wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 2-stroke engine. It is DKW, which bought into Audi, Porsche, Wanderer Company, and to my understanding today, the only name they retained is the Audi. So if you look at the badging on this, you can see that there is the 4 circles that are known for the Audi symbol, and it is the Auto Union. This is a very low decked pickup truck, front wheel drive. All the sides fold down like a Volkswagen pickup truck. And these, they fold up and down, lock into place. It's quite an interesting little rig. There it is with all the sides folded down. And we're going to get this thing running. It is a 2-stroke. It sounds unlike a snowmobile. And here's a very primitive dash in this. Not much here in the way of accoutrements. It is a standard transmission. I'm assuming it's a 3-on-the-tree gearbox. It's quite the cab. Underneath the seat, this thing goes back for a country mile. And look at, there's the heater. All right, we're going to open up the bonnet here, the old hood.
You better stop that.
Go ahead. Quite a unique engine, this little thing. This is a 3-cylinder, 2-stroke. So you got to put oil in the gas. Okay, Tom, do you think it'll start?
Well, I'll give it a try.
All right, we're going to give it a go, see if this thing will run. Won't hear any fire yet.
I wonder if there's any gas.
Well, we're going to check the petrol.
Well, there's lots of gas there.
We got gas.
Well, then it should be running.
Hasn't run in a while.
Last word.
Can you pump the gas or anything?
Well, that's a pretty strange thing because it usually starts really good.
Are you able to pump the throttle on it at all?
There is none.
There is no throttle. It's just run.
Boy, that's on there tight.
And there's not even a clamp on it.
No.
See if there's any fuel coming through the line. You got enough gas in there, do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Look at the fuse panel down here. 3 coils, 1 for each cylinder. Whoa, gasolino. All right, we're gonna give her another shot here. All right, we've been having some trouble getting this rig started. This is not the right tank for it. So we've just got it sitting up on some wood here so that the line is just a gravity feed. There's no fuel pump. On the back of the truck here, this is the fuel tank, which Tom has been restoring. And you mix your gas up and whatnot, and it sits in there, and away you go. All right, so we think we're going to be able to get her to start this time. It's quite an interesting unit when it's running. It sounds like a snowmobile. And smoke. Come on, girl. One kick. Come on. There she goes. Listen to this thing. Sounds like an old 650 Polaris. It's alive. Bye for now.